guys, so let's do a hair spa today, and I haven't been taking care of my hair at all since the whole lockdown thing. Today I thought let's do a hair spa day at home kind of thing to like pamper my hair a bit, which I haven't in months.
I got this Trichup hot oil treatment hair mask, Keratin damage repair cream.
It's like a deep conditioning hair mask and it has 0% parabens and silicones. Keratin, as you guys know, keratin is like really amazing for your hair. I'll tell you guys more about what is mentioned here. This special oil treatment hair mask contains unique keratin, which is distinct from other proteins in that it is rich in cysteine, which is responsible for your hair's unique strength and protective qualities. A tough, smooth keratin film coating on the hair reduces split ends, improves hair appearance and combability. Keratin binds the moisture to the hair and improves shine, volume and manageability. And better moisture content of your hair gives increased flexibility and strength to the hair. Leave a link down below. The price is really good for this 500 ml tub. Like even if you deep condition once a week, this will last you really long. The quantity is like a lot. I suggest using it generously to each and every part of your hair. Like you can divide your hair in a few sections and deep condition it. So we will be doing that today, but this is supposed to be used after shampooing. So I'll quickly go and wash my hair and then we can sit and apply this. And then we have to keep this for 10 to 15 minutes, and preferably you can cover your hair with a hot towel so that this mask works better with the steam. So yeah, we will do that. I'm back. I washed my hair and I wore the same clothes again because I anyway have to wash off the cuts again after 10-15 minutes. So first let's quickly start the application. I'm trying to do it as they do at the salons, and I'm going to speed up these clips so that the video doesn't go on for a long time. Taking a little bit of the extra for the ends specifically. A hot towel in here. It's like 2:06 right now, and I'll be keeping it till like about 2:20, like about 14 minutes, which should be good enough, and then I'll wash it off. So I just took off the mask and I am using this white fluted comb. It's a wet brush, and always use a white fluted comb to comb through your wet hair. And as you can see, I can easily comb through my hair. There are no knots, no entangled hair or anything. Hair feels so soft, smooth and nice, and the keratin also helps in giving the strength and reducing the hair fall and split ends, which is overall a big win-win in all the ways. I will quickly insert my post-drying hair clip right here. If you like this video, and do let me know your thoughts on this hair mask, or if you have tried this mask or any other hair mask in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.